By request, here's the grilled cheese video. So the main thing about Cutco cookware is always just making sure the pan is ready. So we're going to do some water tests. You see this one, it just steams away. Pan is not ready yet. If you do a water test and the water either just sits there or steams away, it's just not quite hot enough yet. So let it heat up a little bit more. And then when you do the water test and the water dances around like beads, which you can see here, that's how you know it's ready. Let's see that again. We'll do it one more time. It's okay if it's steaming a little bit too, but you can still see the dancing water beads. Sometimes there's no steam at all, sometimes there is, but as long as there's beads. So then you prepare your grilled cheese, get the butter on, right? Put it down. I like to do one slice at a time so that I don't have to get butter everywhere. And then it's just a matter of letting it cook. So this is the Cutco Griddle. You could use a fry pan, you could use a skillet. They're all going to work the same way. You're going to want any of them to be preheated until you see the water beads dancing. And then it's just a matter of cooking up your grilled cheese. Enjoy!